Loading, by Bad Brad. Berkwitt Ringside Report went on record from day one that the fight between Floyd, Make It Rain Mayweather, Jr. Conor no business in boxing McGregor, was a circus act. Also, after the fight that Mayweather, Jr. carried McGregor with the ability to take him out anytime he wanted. Well, here's the smoking gun we all knew was out there from Make It Rain Mayweather, Jr. himself. With him admitting this, the Nevada Boxing Commission needs to take that win off his record, but they won't, because they never do the right thing anymore when it involves big fazzles.